Sometimes in life, there can only be one winner, like a bike race to the corner, a small-town beauty pageant, or a heated match of schoolyard basketball. But thanks to Provo Power, everyone can be a winner. And here's why. After a decade of research and preparation, Provo Power is ready to roll out the Automated Metering Infrastructure Network. This means we'll be installing a new power meter at every home in Provo. The installation only takes 3 minutes, and it doesn't cost you a penny. These updated meters come with some great new benefits. For one thing, they'll help us respond more quickly to problems with the electrical grid, so your energy supply is more reliable than ever. In the near future, your new meter will be paired with an online portal so you can monitor your daily energy consumption. Also, the new meters allow us to measure your energy use remotely so we can keep our costs and your bill as low as possible. The biggest win of all is that you don't have to do anything to switch to the new meter. We've got you covered. There's no added cost, no changes to your billing process, and no forms to fill out. So just sit back, relax, and win with Provo's new Automated Metering Infrastructure Network. If you want to learn more about AMI, visit provopower.org/AMI or call 801-852-6000 or 311.